Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add items to your Amazon wish list from your phone. Let's get started.
So what you're going to do is go to your Amazon app and then you will go to the item that you want to add to your list. Let's say that you have already your list here. So let's say that you want to add this toy to your list. So you're going to tap on it and here there is a heart. If you tap on the heart only, it will go directly to your default wish list. But we don't want this item to go to Joyce Cuisine wish list, right? So I'm gonna untap again and I'm gonna tap and hold, and it's going to display all the wish lists that we have. So in here, one of the lists is Becky wish list, my daughter's wish list. So I'm gonna tap on that one and I'm gonna tap on save. There it is, item saved to Becky wish list. And that's it.
I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.